10 videos tell you how to define good quality or bad quality of sprayer. Chapter 3, Charger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the series. Today we are talking about the charger, a part sometimes we will ignore, but it actually makes a huge difference for your battery's life and safety. Let's start with the basics. There are really only two types of sprayer chargers. Chargers for lead-acid batteries and chargers for lithium batteries. When beginning to clear up, the universal charger that claims to work for both batteries, that's totally wrong. It's not actually universal. It has the reverse polarity protection, which just means it won't from the battery if someone connects the positive and the negative indirectly. So, please never mix them up. Mixing them can damage the battery and create safety risks. Now, here are 4 quick ways to check if the charger is good or bad. The first one, the right charging speed. For lead-acid batteries, the factory will suggest a 0.2 C charging current. C means the capacity, so an 8 Ah battery needs 8 times 0.2 equals 1.6 amps. The maximum charging current. Anything higher can cause overheating and damage. For lithium battery, normally the standard is 1 C. For example, if your battery cell capacity is 1,800 mAh, then should charge at a max of 1.8 amps. The second one is steady charging. A good charger keeps voltage and current steady. It won't overheat or make weird noises. A bad charger has unstable output. It can undercharge or overcharge, and that wears out your battery very fast. The second one is the safety features. A good charger comes with protection against reverse polarity, overcharging, overvoltage. They automatically stop when the battery is full and cut power if something goes wrong. Cheap chargers don't have these features, so it will end up a burned battery or even a fire. The last one is the solid case and outlook. Choose a charger with an attractive design is also very important, and also the good finish. Fengrui tips. Pick the right charger for your battery type and pay attention to the charging speed, stability, and safety features. That way, your sprayer and battery will last longer and stay safe. If you need any further information, please message me.